Hello, boys and girls. I'm back with another math video. This is about subtracting fractions, fractions with like denominators, same denominators. So I'm going to do a quick review of that. We did this in class, but we'll do a couple of examples so that you get the hang of this. So in fourth grade, we subtract fractions with the denominators. In fifth grade, you'll learn to subtract fractions with different denominators. So do a quick overview of this. So solve each problem and show your work. This is on page 394, Unit 6 in your big investigation books. So we'll do a few of these together. So number one, there was 7/8 of a carton of juice in the refrigerator. The Ortega family drank 5/8 of the carton with their breakfast. What fraction of the carton remains? So I know that I started with 7/8 of a carton of juice in the fridge, and the family drank 5/8 of the cartons with their breakfast. What fraction of the carton remains? Now remember, fractions are numbers. So let's say this box represents a carton of juice, a full carton. And since I'm working with eighths, I'm going to divide my carton into 8 equal pieces. And I don't just pick the number 8 out of my head. I know it's 8 equal pieces because my fraction here are dealing with eighths. If these were 6, then I would divide this into 6 equal parts. If these were fourths, I would divide these into 4 equal parts. So I know that we started with 7/8 and we drank 5/8. So the picture would look something like this. I would have 7/8 shaded in, because that's what I'm starting with. So this would be the total, or the start. And then I know that, well, I'm going to drink 5/8 of them. So they drank this much. So they drank 5/8. So what's left over is this remaining part. You don't count this because this wasn't even in the container. The container wasn't full. The carton wasn't full. So 2/8 are left. And the shortcut, and that's 2/8 of a carton. The shortcut is when you subtract fractions, the denominator stays and you subtract the numerators. But this is why that works, because you're dealing with eighths. Eighths is your unit, and you're subtracting eighths units. So 7/8 minus 5/8 equals 2/8. So for the rest of these problems, you should do the same thing. Use a visual model to help you write an equation, show your work here. You're going to do pages 394, 393. So go back a page and then skip ahead to 397. And all these pages will be loaded up on Google Docs. Okay, boys and girls, good luck.